What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2011 Harley Davidson Softail Blackline. It's got the 96 cubic inch motor, which is 1584 cc's, and it's got the 6-speed transmission. And let's take a quick walk around this thing. So you can see here on the back tire, a lot of life left in the back tire. Definitely gonna pass the inspection. It is belt drive. I said it was 6-speed. There you can see the belt. Here on the rear fender, I kind of like this chopped off look. Here's got the turn signal, license plate mount. This is a really nice looking bike. We just got this thing in. It's super cool. Coming around here on the side, you can see there's no marks or anything to be worried about on the side of the rear fender. You got your passenger seat up here. It does have the spoke rear wheel. There's your rotors for your rear brake. And come around the side here, has the Advanced Heinz exhaust. It does kind of matching everything. It's got the passenger pegs, rider pegs, and handlebar grips. They're all the same, which is kind of cool looking. There's your side cover, and there's your air cleaner. That's kind of got a good look to it. I like that. Good contrast in the motor. It does have twin cam, it says there on the cover. And it does have the 6-speed transmission. You just barely see it, says it in there, 6-speed in between the exhaust pipes. It is the like the sunset orange color with the black, which is a really good look with the Harley Davidson on the tank. I think it's super clean looking, but also gives a good contrast. Don't miss out on the test drive that Sean does of this bike. Will be up on YouTube. There you can see the grips, levers, all that. Up here you see the front headlight. And here in the fork tubes you can see that they are in really good shape and no rust, no pitting, none of that. The front tire has the same amount of life as the back tire. Looks like they were put on at the same time. It is again really good shape, no cracks or anything like that. There's a light mark there right by my thumb. Almost looks like a little tiny stone chip. It's like underneath the fender, so something to know but not something to be worried about. All the rest of the front fender is looking to be in really good shape. Fork tubes on this side look good. Again, no rust or no pitting, none of that. You get a good look at this spoke front wheel and your front rotor. All looking really good. It does kind of have like the smoked out turn signal covers. I kind of like that. That's a good look. Same thing about the tank on this side. Looking to be in really good shape. Thinking maybe I would find a mark down here by the seat, but really nothing there. Here's your ignition. Again, the motor's looking to be good. There's your rider peg, shifter. Again, these all match. There's your passenger peg here. Transmission, kickstand. Side cover here is looking to be good. There you got your battery tender. Always nice to have one of those. Get it plugged in over the winter. There's the rear wheel from this side. See your belt guard, your belt, and all that. There's your passenger seat. Rider seats all looking really good. I think this gives a really good contrast with the black here in the middle of the tank coming up over with just the plain bar and shield. Fuel cap. There's your grips, controls, mirrors, grips, controls, mirror. Got a single gauge there for the speedometer. Turn it on. It's got 2,000 miles on it. Yeah, look at that. Doing it really quickly. There you go. You can see when it comes on. 2,033 miles. Turn off kill switch. I'll fire it up for you guys real quick. So you can hear me talk. Like I said, it's a 2011 Harley Davidson Softail Blackline. Don't miss out on the test drive that Sean does with this bike. Should be up on YouTube. And this bike is not going to last long, so do not miss out on this bike. And thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys later.